Hi, I'm Rock from Lanikai, here to demonstrate our multi-string instruments in a slightly different style. This is kind of a light strumming style. There are others in the series that you can check out, but here's this version. The next one is our 5-string. 5-string adds the low octave here, so you'll hear the difference. The next is our 6-string. 6-string adds octaves like the 5, but in different places. So you have them on the C and the A string. So you can hear it's a thick, full tone, and a lot of singer-songwriters like that for that background fullness. And finally, this is our 8-string version. 8-string version has octaves on the low strings and then unison on these strings. So it gives a completely different layer than the rest. So I encourage you to check one out at a dealer near you and see which style of multi-string instrument would apply best to your style of music.